right, appreciate you clicking on this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. That helps the algorithm a ton, and I appreciate it a ton. So go check out the eBay store. Lots of cool stuff for hunting and outdoors. It's linked below. Patreon, link down below. There's free trials. You can try it out. If you don't like it, you don't have to continue on it. Check out the Hunt Hungry podcast. It's on Spotify, and it has its own YouTube channel. So those will be linked below as well. Go check them out. It means a ton. I appreciate it. So this series, continuing on this series, is hunts from last year that were like the most memorable, or I thought were really special hunts. So this particular one is on private land in the Ozarks. The biggest buck on the farm had been seen in an area that's really thick and grown up. It's the area that this year I'm doing the brush funnel. So if you've even seen some of my videos or shorts about that, there's an area that I've kind of made with hedge trimmer that I call the brush funnel. This is that area. Hunted it right, played the wind right. I saw him twice. It was gun season. I'm holding a bow. Should have had a muzzleloader or a rifle. I don't remember which was in season. I could have killed him at least once, maybe twice. And you get to see like how big a deer he was. He's a really cool deer with his drop tine coming off the back. We called him Hook. Really cool deer. Had 2 opportunities, so you'll see. Just a beautiful hunt. This is the kind of hunt that I think about in the summer when the leaves are changing colors and the leaves are falling and you're out in the tree and it's nice crisp mornings. Like, that's the stuff deer hunters dream about. So enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. I appreciate you watching. Enjoy. Well, it was a pretty neat hunt. Got the blood flowing for a little bit. That little buck, he was an 8-point, but he'd broken some tines off. So he's like a 7-point. He was young. He needed another year, really. He got lucky. It was hot, and I didn't want to mess with him. But
Oh, he was close. It was one of those that made you think hard about it. If he'd had the other tines on that other side, it's been tough to pass him, especially the year I've had where it's just been hot and miserable. It'd been tough to pass that deer, being an 8-point, just right at the ear 8-point. I don't know what it scored, but cold front's tomorrow. It's the first of 3 days of hunting, so it ought to get better. So that's another reason to go, I'll let him go. I may see him a few more times. He catches me Sunday morning, he might not get the pass, but for right now, he gets the pass and going to watch some football. Well, that was pretty exciting. About 25 yards away from the biggest buck on the farm, and just didn't have a clear shot, just straight thickness and brush. Couldn't even find him on camera. When I finally saw him, and then I was able to get a camera on him, it was hard to even find him in the camera. So just he didn't come on in. I don't know if he was just scent checking that scrape kind of from downwind, or did he see me or smell me? I don't know. Had a doe come through right afterwards, and she went right through there and never acted like she smelled me. So I don't know that he smelled me, but he may have just checked that scrape that I was sitting on, and then took off. So this afternoon I may sit downwind of some stuff and just try to catch him coming into it, checking it. I grunted at him, rattled and stuff, trying to get him to come back. Of course he didn't, but anytime you see him or you're that close to him, get your heart going a little bit. So it's a cold, kind of cloudy day. So it's the kind of days you want. These are the days you think about in July and August when it's miserable outside. Wishing it was a day like today. So that's always a positive. All right, so that wraps up the weekend. Saw my target buck, didn't have a shot. Saw a little buck, saw some does. Saw a buck this morning. I don't know which one it was, but I figure it was probably the target buck that I had the other day. Same time, same direction, everything. And I think I spooked him. Moving around, getting my grunt tube, and probably grunting when he's too close to me. So things are definitely picking up. Just need them to make some mistakes, and a little bit colder today. It was 39 this morning, 40 degrees this morning. No, 49 degrees this morning. So it's finally cooling off. It was 65 degrees 2 days ago in the morning. So it's been hot. It's been hot all year, but finally getting a little better. So stick around, like, subscribe if you hadn't already. Hopefully we're going to get on some actual bucks pretty soon, release some arrows. Getting tired of watching them.